Google Ads are an instant ROI marketing option, as you can make your business appear at the top of Google search results for your main target keywords. The top 3 search results in Google get over 50% of all clicks, and typically those top 3 search results are all Google Ads. Our latest client is getting an 8.93x return on Google ad spend. We turned $2,639 in Google ad spend into $23,573 in sales last month, just by creating Google Ads with great ad copy paired with high intent keywords. We target high intent keywords via Google Ads for our clients' main target keywords. So what are high intent keywords? These are search terms users input into Google search that indicate a higher likelihood that they will take a particular business action. These are transactional keywords input by users with an intent to buy. For example, XYZ service in XYZ city, such as Roof Repair Miami, or buy insert product or service, such as buy car insurance, or service near me, water damage repair near me. Next, best service zip code. So best carpet cleaning service, my local zip code, or brand discount code. They're ready to buy and just want to see if there's a coupon code out there. So these people are high intent. They are looking for a solution to their problem. So if you haven't already, create a Google Ads account at ads.google.com. So first, in our Google Ads account, we will create Google Conversion Actions. These track our Google Ads conversions. So in that top nav bar, select Tools and Settings. In the drop-down menu, select Conversions under the Measurement menu. Then on the Conversions page, click that New Conversion Action button. This will redirect you to the New Conversion Action page. Select Website, input your website domain, and click Scan. Next, you will set up the conversion actions on your website. So this means identify events on your website that you want to count as conversions, such as loading a thank you page or a confirmation page after a user submits your contact form. So first, select the conversion goal. Our most common is submit lead form. So that's like a contact form. They submit their name, email, phone, and their problem that your service is a solution for. Then select URL contains for the match type. Finally, input the URL that loads upon successful completion of your conversion goal. So if they submit your form, that loads to your domain/thank you. Then click Add. Now, if you have more conversion events you want to track, you can click that Add Event option. But we have the singular goal for our landing page, that is submit lead form. So we'll move on here and click the Save and Continue button. Then click the Finish button. You'll be redirected to your Google Ads conversions page. On this page, click that newly created conversion action. So I click on that Submit Lead Form conversion action. Now I'm on the details page for that conversion action. Expand the Tag Setup menu and then install the Google tag on your website for tracking. So if you don't know coding or you don't have access to the coding, click the Email the Tag option. Then send the code to your web developer to add the Google tag tracking code to the HTML header coding file between the head tags on your website. So now that we have tracking installed, it's time to create our first Google Ads. So navigate to your Google Ads account homepage and click that New Campaign button. So first, select your campaign objective. We want to track users who submit our lead form, our contact form. So we will select leads as the objective and click Continue. This will pull up your conversion goals. Make sure that conversion action you just added is on this goal tracking list. As you can see, submit lead forms is on there. I'll click Continue. Next, for our campaign type, we select Search. This will make your Google ad appear in Google search results for your target keywords. Next, select Website Visits and input your Google ad landing page. Where do you want people to land when they click your Google ad? This could simply be your homepage if your lead capture page is on your home domain. But typically, we want to customize each Google ad landing page to the specific ad. So for this example, I want people landing on a landing page catering to our Google Ads services. So that's at the website adsmanaged.co/Google-ads. Landing pages are a crucial part of any successful digital marketing campaign. In simple terms, a landing page is a single web page designed to persuade visitors to take a specific action. This could be anything from submitting a contact form to signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. The landing page used for your online ads should include your value proposition and a single goal and call to action. For example, submitting a contact form for a free estimate or a free consultation. We see the best ad results when we don't distract the user with multiple actions available on our ad landing page URL, and when our landing page is optimized for conversions with a single goal: capturing leads. To learn more about our landing page best practices, check out this website, adsmanaged.co/best-landing-page-builder. So back to our Google Ads campaign, you'll want to name your campaign for easily identifying it in future ad reporting. For example, objective-campaign type-website-target market-location. So lead, search, ads managed, contractors, USA. Once named, click the Continue button. Now we will build out our campaign. Our first step is bidding. For all new campaigns, we need to first discover the average price per conversion in our target market. So we will click this bidding drop-down menu and change it from the default conversions to clicks for the bidding focus. Next, checkmark that box, set a maximum cost per click bid limit, and then we want to find our maximum CPC bid limit via the Google Keyword Planner. So open up a new browser tab and navigate to your Google Keyword Planner. Click the Tools and Setting option in that top nav bar. Under Planning in that drop-down menu, select Keyword Planner. Once on the Keyword Planner page, click that Discover New Keywords option. Now on the Discover New Keywords page, type in your main target keyword you want to appear in Google search results for with this Google ad. So for us, we typed in how to rank high in Google search. Then I click the Get Results button. So as you can see on the Google Keyword Planner, it will output data for this main target keyword you searched, as well as similar keywords. So to appear near the number one position in Google search results for this main keyword, note the column top of page bid high range. This is the price per click, or CPC, cost per click, to appear at the top or near the top, typically the top 3 sponsored listing ads in Google search results. So to appear on the second page or below the top 3, that's typically the low end, that'd be $387. Top end, $1820. So for each campaign, I like to target a set of 2 to 6 similar keywords. So for this campaign, I will target Google searches for these 3 similar keywords. So as you can see, I have a theme for each campaign. This campaign's ad will be all about how to rank high in Google search, how to rank higher on Google, how to get your website higher on Google. They're all pretty similar and relevant to my customer. So one thing you want to note with the keywords you select is that top of page bid high range number. So for this set of keywords, it is our main target keyword. How to rank high in Google search, that is $1820 CPC, cost per click. So now click back to the original tab in your browser for this new campaign, and this is where you paste in that $1820 top of page bid high range price that we discovered via Google Keyword Planner. This is our maximum CPC bid limit. So a note here, after 1 month, we will review this campaign to identify the average cost per conversion. Then we will change this bidding strategy for this campaign from clicks to conversions. And we'll change it from maximum CPC to our target CPA, or cost per action. So we always set that a few dollars above our average cost per conversion we've seen over the past 30 days. Click next. Now under the network section, make sure to only check mark search network. We see the highest ROI for our clients only targeting this search network. Next, under the location section, select the locations you want your ad to appear. You can go as broad as a whole country or worldwide to as narrow as your local city or a single postcode. So this is great for a service business that only works within a 5-mile radius. You can do that via targeting 1 or 2 zip codes. Next, under the target section, also under locations, select presence only. This ensures the users are physically in your desired local market. Again, you'll see a higher ROI targeting people who live in your local market because people shop local, people use services that are local. So for the rest of these campaign settings, I leave these as the default. So unless you speak Spanish or have another language you can offer to your customers, you could change or add to the languages field. By default, we leave it as English. The other area you could adjust, say if you only want to run ads during your business hours from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. when you can answer the phone, you could adjust the ad schedule to your local business hours. For example, 9 a.m. Pacific to 5 p.m. Pacific. Besides that, leave these as the default, click the next button. Now, under the ad group, we will add the keywords we want our campaign to target, i.e. appear in Google searches for. So as you can see, this enter keywords field is populated. Google will curate suggested keywords based on the Google Ad landing page URL we input. But we typically delete these all and add our own high intent keywords, like the examples I gave you. Service city, service near me, best service zip code. So one note with keywords is setting keyword match types. This helps control which Google searches will trigger your ads to appear. So the keyword as is, no quotes, no brackets, that is a broad match. The keyword with quotes around it is a phrase match. The keyword with brackets around it is an exact match. So here's an actual example from Google Ads. The keyword is lawn mowing service. So if we add that keyword without quotes or without brackets, for a broad match, that could appear for searches like we can see in the far left column, lawn aeration prices. So your ads will show on searches that relate to your keyword. Next, in the middle, phrase match, if we put quotes around lawn mowing service, your ads will show on searches that include the meaning of your keyword, such as lawn mowing service near me, hire company to mow lawn, landscaping service to cut grass. They're all in the same meaning of my original keyword. And finally, our exact match. So this is lawn mowing service contained within brackets. So your ads may show on searches that are the same meaning as your keyword. For example, the exact keyword, lawn mowing service, or grass cutting service. A very tight match to our original keyword. So for our clients, we never use broad match keywords. This will waste your ad budget quickly. Only use phrase match and exact match. So as you can see, we've added our first keyword as a phrase match, quotes, and exact match, brackets. I will repeat this bracket and quotes process for the remaining keywords I add to this campaign. For each separate campaign you create, target a set of 2 to 6 similar high intent keywords you want to appear at the top of Google search results for. So next are ads. Like I said, we focus on one set of similar keywords per ad group. Then we create an ad that includes our target keywords, value proposition, and call to action. So each campaign has a theme. So first for your ad, you'll be prompted to input your final URL. This is the ad landing page, for example, where we capture the lead via a lead form. Next, is the headline section. You'll add 15 variations of headlines for your Google search ad. Now, a pro tip here, make sure to include this syntax phrase for at least one of your headlines. By adding this dynamic keyword syntax phrase, this will automatically update your ads with the exact keyword the user searches in Google. Next are 4 variations of your description for this Google search ad. So again, fill out all the descriptions, fill out all the headlines. Google will automatically test every combination of your headlines and descriptions in your Google ad to find the highest ROI. So they'll dynamically test, is this description best with this headline? There could be hundreds of variations, and they'll do that via their Google Ad machine learning. So it's a great way to test multiple ad variations. So a quick rule of thumb here, headlines can include your service or product name, your main keywords, and your call to actions, such as book free inspection, call for a free estimate, emergency repairs 24/7, XYZ service problem, call now. Your descriptions are up to 90 characters, so a little bit longer. You can include some more details, again, those main keywords, and all your value propositions, such as top rated local XYZ service in XYZ city, includes lifetime warranty, call XYZ business brand name today. So as you can see in this ad builder at the top, once you have a check mark for all these, add headlines, include keywords, make headlines unique, make descriptions unique, and your ad strength meter is at good or higher, we're ready to go. Click the next button. So now that we have our ad created, we need to set our daily ad budget. $50 to $100 minimum per day is our rule of thumb to really see those results come in. So a way to arrive at a daily budget is to keep your max CPC in mind. So remember, our target keyword costs $18.20 per click on the high end. So say if we want 10 plus clicks per day, our budget must be at least 10 times that click cost, or $182. Now, for an example, our latest client is getting a 60% conversion rate. So that would be 10 clicks per day times a 60% conversion rate. That would be 6 leads submitting our lead form per day. That's a great starting point. We can adjust our budget around ongoing. So click next. Now you want to review your campaign for any errors and try to get as close to that 100% campaign optimization score as possible. Once ready, click that Publish Campaign button. You'll be redirected to your Google Ads overview page where you can see all your campaign's overall performance, including clicks, conversions, cost per conversion, and total cost with a visual graph representation. So in that left sidebar, navigate to your campaigns page to see all your published campaigns. So in these columns, you can review all your reporting and metrics for each Google Ads campaign, such as clicks, impressions, click-through rate, cost per click, total cost, total conversions, and cost per conversion. You can click that columns button above these columns to edit and add metrics that are important to you. For any Google Ads that aren't converting, simply click that green circle and pause your Google Ads. Once you click on a campaign name, navigate to the Search Keywords page in this left sidebar, and here you can review your targeted keywords metrics. You can pause non-converting keywords, and you can find new keywords to target based on actual search results. So as you can see, Facebook Blueprint certification, that alone has gotten us 7 conversions at $8.30. That's great. We're going to leave that one on. Now remember, after 1 month, we will review this campaign to identify the average cost per conversion. Then we will change the bidding strategy for this campaign from clicks to conversions and set our target cost per action, or CPA, to a few dollars above our average cost per conversion we've discovered over this past month. Google Ads will then optimize your ads for higher conversions at your target CPA. So as you can see in this visual, we're on a campaign, we've clicked into an ad, and over the last 30 days, our cost per conversion is $13.60. So again, we've clicked into this campaign name, navigate to settings in that left sidebar for this campaign, scroll down to bidding on this campaign settings page, and change the bidding strategy from clicks to conversions. Checkmark that set a target cost per action box and input your target CPA. So again, a few dollars above our average cost per conversion, we'll round up to $15. Then click Save. Navigate back to your campaigns page via that left sidebar, and now you can see our campaign bid strategy is maximize conversions. Also from this page, we can click that blue plus sign button to add new campaigns.